Hello everyone, this is Sakib Khan and our presentation topic is an online law library database for legal cases of Bangladesh for a study purpose for lawyer and law students. This project will be presented in IEEE Symposium on Industrial Electronics and Applications. Here are the list of authors and this project will presented by Muhammad Moniruzaman Khan sir. Here are the some context we will gonna describe in our project slides, which are introduction, purpose, existence system, proposed application, background, procedures, methodology, demonstration, advantage, conclusions. So let's get start with the introduction part. A system for the law student where they can find different type of cases consists with categorized cases that can be found by using keywords and can be used in research purpose. Law student can get their desired case record easily that can reduce the cost of time and money. A system that will interrogate various types of legal cases and will compare one cases with another to produce better understanding. This project will help to build a bridge between people and lawyers. So the purpose of our project is to provide a database of cases mainly for law student and for lawyer where different type of cases will be stored in an organized way and the student will be able to search for the data using right keywords. We have focused on some innovative key factor which make this application more useful for the law student and the lawyer. Minimize the cost to get the information, provide search option to get the desired case of information with less hassle, reduce travel to compare cases. So here are some existing system we found on online, which are Sherry, Live Law, Law Ordo, Justia. So what the proposed method for our application is the project presents a web application that works cumulatively using database and website. User can search with many keyword and get the search result. This application will use HTML, CSS, Bootstrap, MySQL, JavaScript, jQuery and XAMPP. The database is used to store the record for registered user and store lot of categorized law cases. We present it in an efficient way so that people can easily use our application. For the simplicity, we use a user-friendly interface where people can easily get what he or she is looking for. So here are some background procedures we follow. Our procedure as follows. We create a block diagram of the activity of this project. Then we draw our ER diagram for our databases, and we develop a database diagram. So in this slide, you can see this is our ER diagram, which is admin, customer, case category, and we used a one-to-one and one-to-many relationship between our tables. It is our database diagram. We used XAMPP as a web server, SQL used for access the database, AJAX for load data from servers. So let's talk about our methodology. To build this application, we used lots of tools to make it user friendly and accessible. First of all, we use the HTML. HTML help us to create a website. Basically, it's a skeleton for any web pages. The purpose of using HTML for this application to build different web pages like login, home, logout, and other pages as well. Then we use the CSS and the Bootstrap. CSS is basically cascading style sheet, fondly referred to as a CSS. Is simply design language intended to simplify the process of making web page presentable. To build this application, CSS helps to control the color of the text, the style of the font, the spacing between paragraphs, how columns are sized and laid out, what background images or color we are used in this application, layout, designs and variation display for different devices and screen sizes, as well as a variety of other effects. And the Bootstrap we used for because of its flexibility and easy to work with. Its main advantage are it is responsive by design, it maintains wide browser compatibility, it confers consistent design by using reusable components, and it's very easy to use and quick to learn. The reason we used because there is lot of pre-built tracks was already done in this library, like Bootstrap responsive grid, Bootstrap responsive images, Bootstrap external templates. So for the backend part, we use the PHP. So the reason we use PHP is open source and free. Most of the web hosting servers supported PHP by default. PHP has inbuilt support for working hand in hand with MySQL. PHP is a cross-platform. Here is our diagram of our backend server, how connect with our front-end server. And for the database purpose, we use the MySQL and XAMPP. XAMPP is an online server, and MySQL is a standard language used to access the database. And XAMPP is a free and open source cross-platform web server solution stack package developed by Apache and constraining Apache HTTP server and other databases as well. So here you can see there is our sign up pages. Now let's get started with the demonstration. This is our home page, this is our case page, and this is our service page. So what are the advantages we get from this project are, will reduce the dependency to the less affordable books and provided a single platform from all kind of cases. Using the online law library will reduce the cost to get case information and also save time for the law students and lawyer. By using this web application, one can easily get a specific type of case knowledge by just searching any keywords. People can interact with the lawyer and also get the information about any kind of act. Can be used as a archive of legal cases in Bangladesh. So let's jump in the conclusion. So to conclude, using the law books to get the information of cases is very reliable sources for law student, but those books are not easily affordable. Using a free web application to get any kind of case data in a single platform by just entering a keyword could be very useful feature for the law student and lawyer. We try to create an web application with categorized case to solve this problem. We try to provide a platform for everyone who have a single interest to know about the law, could engage with the law and interact with the lawyer in a cost effective way. We hope that this library will be the archive for legal cases of Bangladesh. In final, we believe that we did some remarkable work to achieve our milestone by creating this platform. So thank you everyone.